Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate brick quantity in a wall. First, measure the length and height of your wall to find its total surface area in square feet. Next, you'll need the dimensions of a single brick, remembering to add the mortar joint thickness. This initial step is crucial for an accurate estimate, ensuring you have all the necessary measurements before proceeding to the calculations. We'll cover each part in detail. To begin, accurately measure the length and height of your wall in feet. For example, a wall 10 feet long and 8 feet high has an area of 80 square feet. Next, consider the brick dimensions. A common brick is about 8 inches long by 3 and 5/8 inches wide by 2 and 1/4 inches high. Remember to add a 1/2 inch for mortar to both the length and height when calculating the effective area of one brick. Now, let's determine how many bricks fit into 1 square foot. A standard brick with a 1/2 inch mortar joint is approximately 8 1/2 inches long by 2 and 3/4 inches high. Convert these to feet by dividing by 12. Multiply these values to get the effective area of one brick in square feet. Then, divide 1 by this effective brick area to find the number of bricks required for each square foot of wall. Finally, multiply your total wall area by the number of bricks needed per square foot to get your initial brick count. It's always wise to include a waste factor, typically between 5 and 10%, to account for breakage or cutting. For instance, if you need 1,000 bricks, add 50 to 100 extra. Round up to the nearest whole number to ensure you have enough materials for your construction project.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.